love children and eat them.
I don't think we should put this on.
Lucy and I are just wondering what Tim has in store for us. No, it doesn't have to be a starring role.
We're not eating.
Helma.
I'm Rachel and I'm in the children ensemble. We're having a good time, I think. Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Quite well rehearsed.
Sorry.
Nim, you're such a distraction to this rehearsal.
Stop distracting me.
I'm a beautiful distraction.
I'm waiting for the assisting. We have to be quiet so we've got the main stage to hear about us.
I danced much like a dung beetle. Was how I danced. It was absolute shells. I was far from excellent. I was about the POV.
I'm tired. Why? Tired. I'm having the night of my love. The night of my love.
I said don't video this.
We had a good rehearsal tonight. We did the fight scene, done a couple of times, yeah. It's going to be quite tragic, actually. Tim's got this idea of these huge, big kind of offal pots coming down from the floors in the theatre, just crashing like a big clay jar of offal, cracking on my head, blood and guts everywhere. Should be really cool.
What would be a good name for this?